Other objects for inserting text and annotations are the rectangular cloud balloon, elliptic cloud balloon and the cloud balloon. These are available under 2D graphics. These functionalities are very similar. Let's see how to proceed and insert a rectangular balloon. Once the object is selected, clicking once fixes the insertion point. Moving the cursor defines the balloon area and also the orientation. Clicking again fixes its position. Accessing the balloon editor, we can then insert the text that we need and also format it. We can also define text spacing and alignment, but also personalize the balloon geometry, setting the width, the height, and round off the edges if necessary. Inserting the other cloud balloon shapes is exactly the same.